to try out Teachable Machine, which is Google's web-based learning tool for creating machine learning classification models, where users can create their own ML classification models without coding and only using their webcam. So today we'll be training our model to identify whether a user or a person is wearing a face mask, a face shield, both, or none. So this is an image model where we can use our webcam to create these different classifications. So the user could be wearing none, only a face mask, or perhaps just a face shield, or both. So we're going to be using our webcam and we can record a bunch of samples so that we can train our model. So the more data that we feed into our training model, the smarter it becomes. So for both, I have 321 image samples. For the face shield, I have 276 image samples, 238 for face mask, and only 117 for none. Let's train the model, and let's see how well it does. Done training, we can test our results. So right now it's getting 100% for none, which is pretty accurate, but it's still detecting that it thinks that I have a face shield, which could be from the angle that I'm doing. That means we don't have enough image samples yet. And if I wear a face mask, detecting that pretty well. And for both. And for face shield only. Model looks good. So now I want to test some image file samples to see how well my model does. could see how the model is still lacking data, so it's not 100% accurate yet because it still gets some of the information wrong. Some pictures it's still not able to properly classify. That's because we don't have enough data yet. So the data that we have, first of all, it's all of me, and the positioning also plays a big role because the computer detects a pattern in that it thinks a certain positioning in the photo means that it contributes to the face mask or face shield or not having any. So our model still needs to be trained a little bit more. We can feed it with more data so that it can have more accurate results, but for the most part I'm pretty happy with the results. You can try to create your own teachable classification machine learning by going to Teachable Machine on Google. So it's a Google application. You can click on this link, teachablemachine.com, and with this you can train a computer to recognize your own images, sounds, or poses, and you can try it yourself so that you can learn what artificial intelligence and machine learning are about. So it's really easy to use. You just gather your information, you train your model, and you export it. Thanks for watching. Bye.